Hey, John, I think you and your girlfriends should get horses. Is there somebody you need to tell me about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What is cranking, leaders? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you guys here. Before we get today's video kicked off, I just want to say thank you to all the support that the last video got, that being the whole move-in, new home tour. As you know, things have been hectic. Moving in kind of sucks and it consumes a lot of time, but I'm trying my best to keep the uploads going. And with that being said, we had a lot of really awesome, funny questions and comments on the previous video. So today's video is basically gonna consist of this. We're gonna go through some of your comments, some of your dire questions, and we're gonna read them off and do our best to answer anything you guys are curious about. And on top of that, we're gonna be rigging up some rods, getting ready for tomorrow's send. This is a kind of an appendix video connected to another video we're gonna film tomorrow. But I gotta rig up some rods. I figured we'd kill two birds with one stone and just do a little Q&A while we're getting situated and dialed for tomorrow's mission. So stick with us, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy.
So this is a little bit different. I want to kind of integrate any sort of filming opportunities we possibly can. Maybe we'll make this a semi-regular thing, maybe a weekly thing. Barn talks, boat talks. I don't know. I think being in the boat in the garage is appropriate for this. But Kaylee liked a lot of the comments you guys left, so we're gonna read them out loud and answer some questions. Some towards you, some towards me, and we'll just kind of take our turns here.
The fact that John has a girlfriend still shocks me. And I know that a lot of you think that he's gay, and a lot of you have said G-H-E-Y in some of your comments, but...
G-H-E-Y? Oh,
they've
like spelled it like
gay that way. But here I am in the flesh. I am a female, full female.
As far as I know, but yeah.
Yeah, he hasn't found out the full details or anything, but like, you know.
Save it to marriage.
Exactly.
Dude gets a girlfriend and buys a dream house, LOL. Yep.
That's how it went.
That's how it works.
So thank you, sir.
Girlfriend, dog, house.
Dopest otter ever. This goes out to you, sir. The only thing I don't like about John B is he drinks White Claws.
What's wrong with White Claws? Like, I feel like it's not a girly drink anymore. It's just like, it's like water. It just goes down so easily. Honestly, a lot of the comments were really good on this.
This man deserves this. It has been a long ass grind from when he was 14. I do agree.
Oh, okay. So here's one of the most popular questions or comments on this video. Did I see right? It looked like his girlfriend's release was on the string of the boat when he rolled into the cam and then he let the boat down. Yes. I didn't know it was on there. I was just filming, walking and talking, and I went to go draw back the bow, just being a complete idiot, and realized the release was on there. But
fun fact, didn't know that he had done that. He didn't tell me until he released the video, and I saw the comments on there.
It still works.
About
it still works though.
Bow.
It still works.
And you know, this bow right here somehow it was placed around like
why'd you do that?
No, I didn't do that. I strapped this thing, completely buckled it around right here whenever I moved. So I was very sad about that fact. Didn't know that until I saw all y'all's comments. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
I was indeed.
Y'all are the reason that I figured out what he did.
She didn't mention the bow's fine. Everything's good.
Oh yeah, the bow's great.
The cam is fine. It's all good.
It does have some dirt on it and stuff, you know.
Not from me though.
It is from him. Okay. He'll say it's not, but it is.
Okay.
Bro, why is there a door that leads to a 10-foot drop? Oh, that's the attic.
It's a dungeon, actually.
So it's the attic. You have to have like a 8 or 9 foot ladder to be able to go up there just to access it with a key. Neither one of us have ever been up there.
Probably like an illegal street fighting rank.
The hot water heater is up there. So that's what that little random red door is.
Can I answer a question?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, a lot of people are asking about the secret door. Maybe we'll go up there in a video and just explore. I don't know what's up there. I
really do want to go up there to see what all is going on.
There's also, I've not been back there yet. There's also on the back of my land, there's 2 sheds I've not been in. There's like 3 cars, which are not mine, but the previous owner left them there until like probably spring. So we can take a look. There's literally 3 cars on my property. One of them, I'm pretty sure, is like an old Bronco, the EOG Bronco. So we'll check that out eventually. Kind of exciting. Literally remember this dude grinding in his dorm room at Hocking College. Hell yeah, John, came up, big buddy. Yeah, the funny thing is when I first put an offer on this house to try to like make it happen, we didn't know because there was someone else with another offer on this house. Thankfully we got it. that's the one thing I thought of, is how crazy the progression of not only this channel, but like, I guess my life in general. There's a few comments on here saying like, this whole house tour that I just posted was like a big flex, but it really isn't. I value your guys' thoughts and opinions, and I want to keep you in the loop with my life, even if it is a personal side of my life. And I hadn't been uploading forever. Alex and I are always working towards posting as consistently as we possibly can. And to be quite honest, I was just so like engrossed in the whole moving process. Circling back to the walking college thing, it's crazy as to how far, you know, this whole process has come. From dorm room to now mini ranch. I love it.
I'd insulate the shop and make it so that friends and family can sleep in the shop.
I do agree.
So we do have a mother-in-law suite. We plan to have like family and friends stay there. There is like a fridge, like a kitchen and living room area all in one.
Yep. But the last owner said that they were going to set this up. It's got a hookup for washer, dryer, sink, toilet in here. So we were thinking about maybe doing that. It's a lot of process. But the thing is, the nice thing about this barn is it's open. It's perfect for boats, perfect for kayaks, trucks, anything like that. So kind of conflicted. I think we may just keep this kind of a workshop and less of an additional living space, but that is something to consider. I'm taking that note. We might make it happen. I don't know. Does your girlfriend know she named her doggo the same as Flair's dog? She did not, which is funny.
I didn't know that. I got Millie. Sent John a picture of Millie and was like, hey, let me know if you want this puppy.
I was fishing with my buddy Ryan up in Maine, and she sends me a picture. She says, oh my God, I saw this cute little dog. Should we get this dog?
And I'm like, yeah, she's cute.
Is that how I talk? Just like that? Yeah, just like that. So I was like, oh yeah, she's cute. But like, are you sure we want a dog? We were thinking about getting a dog together. And I was like, are you sure? You want a puppy?
We were gonna get a purebred dog. Yeah. So we were gonna go to somebody that made, that had purebred dogs.
We're thinking about another dachshund.
Yes, so we were looking at a dachshund, we were looking at a Aussie doodle, or a golden doodle, something like that. John.
Gotta have it.
We have to have her. She's so cute.
I looked at my buddy Ryan. I'm like, well, I guess we have another dog. No offense. I love Millie. She's my pup, but lucky for me, will always be number one.
Yeah. So we set in stone. Millie's name is Millie, and so that's how that happened. And then I found out Flair's and Macy's dog's name is Millie.
Also Millie.
And I was like, what?
The other Millie's cute as hell too.
She is super cute.
Okay. First time in a while I haven't seen a White Claw in John's hand. Well, we relapsed, sorry. I would put a bar in the barn since you have so much room. What you meant to say is I would put a bar in the barn since you love alcohol so much. And the answer is yes, that's a great idea. I love it.
But we're also in the back porch.
Yeah.
Gonna build a mini bar.
Yep.
If you don't make a bar in the shed,
Another one.
What are you even doing, bud?
Why do people want to make, I feel like that would be fun, but it also would be like random as shit. You got a boat, kayaks, gear, and then
you need to have a bar corner or section of the
Another
barn.
one?
You can't have Camp Claw without drinking videos.
Do you really think I'm that much of a drunk? Like what? I drink because it's fun and it's a good time, and I always do it responsibly. Always after.
Your girlfriend is more of a badass than you are, John. We need archery competition.
Ooh.
Let me tell you.
Ooh.
So this is a great video idea. Love my bow.
Yeah, broke it though.
He does not have a compound bow. So when we get him one, we'll see who wins.
I'll light your ass up.
It's definitely gonna be you.
Yeah.
New video title is gonna be Baby.
Not for another half decade, sir.
No.
That's so funny. John B. build a treehouse for Alex and charge him rent. I don't know which Alex you're referring to, but it seems like a good idea for both. Parrot? Yeah, I would say Parrot. Alex Blackwell, Alex the editor's in the back. He's like, Parrot. John, in the Midwest, hedge apples are also called spider balls or Osas orange.
They kill insects and stuff.
I heard that's a wives' tale though. I feel like that doesn't actually work.
Place hedge apples inside the house near windows and doors to keep spiders out. They don't like the smell. Which is funny, we did have a big spider on the back porch 2 days ago.
We have a big centipede or millipede problem, and then also
whenever you dig the pond, whenever you dig it bigger, use that dirt to put some hills on that boring ass flat land.
We like the boring ass flat land though.
We love the boring
flat land.
John months ago Yeah, I'm gonna be under a bridge after we bought the RZR. Also, John, I bought my dream house, guys.
Very true. Yeah.
Very crazy how it just changes.
Kind of contradictory.
So we're gonna ignore the top door up outside.
People were tripping about that. There's two things people were tripping about. One, the random secret creepy door.
What's with the random red door high above the girl area?
And the bow. The random red door and the bow. People were just losing their minds, which I love. You guys are so attentive to like details like that.
John, you should install some solar panels instead of using power electricity.
Yeah.
And it would look cool on the new house.
I've thought about that. Only because
It would.
I think there's a lot of benefits with that, like financial wise, and it's also just, it's good. It's a good option.
You ready for this one?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, John, I think you and your girlfriends should get horses. Is there somebody you need to tell me about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Somebody you need to tell me about.
I think they're referring to the dogs.
No one is going to mention the girl in the thumbnail. So many questions. Well, I'm glad that you realized that I'm a girl.
In the video.
Because there was a comment saying, as I said previously, John is gay. And I'm so glad that he came out of the closet, this, that, and the other. Edit. That's a girl. I apologize.
You finance at 2.8% or you pay cash. You need to build this. What kind of question?
Second floor in the barn for sure.
You finance at 2.8%?
Have you seen the barn, sir? It's massive.
When I was younger, my brother and I used to call those hedge apple trees monkey brains. Never knew the name. That's just what we called them. Curious if any of you guys did too. I've never heard them called. They do look like brains.
Oh, they do, but I've never, up until 2 nights ago, I've never seen a single hedge apple in my life. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't know it existed.
This guy just made me yell, "You idiot, you pulled the bow with the release on it and it got stuck in the cam. That could have exploded, bud." But it didn't.
Again, my bow, my release, he lost his brain cells in that time.
Not my fault. Let's read one more comment.
You should get a ground pool and put the fish in that.
That would be sick.
No.
What? No.
There's a pond for that. We're gonna build the pond.
Yes, that'd be cool.
An actual ground pool with fish in it? How are we gonna swim?
With the fishes.
Hell
Just breaststroke
no.
through the 10-pound bass that I'm gonna stop. And big alligator gar. Well.
No further words.
What did you think of that? Did you enjoy that? The comments?
I love them. I love reading.
You love them because most of them were about me messing up your bow.
Let's not even get into my Instagram comments.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Or my DMs.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys want to see more boat talks, drop a comment down below. Huge shout out to Kaylee for joining on today's video. Huge shout out to Alex for putting up with us. Huge shout out to Lucky and Millie for being 2 of the most mischievous dogs that I've ever met, that I've ever been the pleasure to say that I own. But yeah, we're signing off. Peace out. We'll keep you guys updated through the whole house process. We appreciate the view. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop. Punch it. No, just from here, just punch it. Like, just go. Okay. You don't have to bend all the way over and punch it.
Wait. No, it won't make any sense.
Just go like this.
Okay.